Hi, I'm Anupama, National Creative Director Makeup for Lakme Salons, and we get a lot of queries from brides-to-be. Since it's the wedding season and a big one this time, I'm going to answer a couple of your questions here today. The top 5 on my list of must-haves is kajal, mascara, lipper, concealer and your foundation. If you want your makeup to last all through the functions, which is like 8 to 10 hours because everybody's dancing the whole night and it's a time where you don't want to go for a touch-up, then you must go in for an HD makeup. HD makeups are very camera friendly, they're very light on the skin, they're mostly silicone based and they look very natural. So you're going to look like you have this flawless skin instead of a cakey makeup look, and it's going to be wow. Always go for a trial before you choose your makeup artist, just to make sure that there are no surprise elements on your big day. Make sure that you have the exact look that you want on your big day and discuss not only your makeup or what you like, but also the clothes that you're going to wear, the jewelry that you're going to wear, so it's all very well coordinated. If you're having trouble deciding your wedding day look, the best thing to do is get your clothes, the color palette that you want, the jewelry that you're looking for, and meet your makeup artist. Once you're there, discuss at length with her the kind of looks that you like. You could pick out some pictures, take some inspirations from Bollywood stars or whoever's makeup you like, and then get a trial based on that. Once you've got a trial done on your face, you will know what looks good on your features. Don't follow trends blindly. Just go and enhance what is your best feature and be confident. A smiling bride is always a pretty bride. Prepping your skin before the D-Day is really important. I'd suggest 8 to 12 weeks, but if you're someone who doesn't have time, who's working, then well, at least start 4 to 6 weeks before your D-Day. Once you're ready with your makeup and you're out for your wedding, make sure that you have a little pouch that is with your best friend, and it has your lipstick, your gloss and a powder puff. A lot of girls have a problem if they have dark pigmented lips. Well, it's not really a problem. What you can do is wear a darker shade lipstick because that's going to cover the pigmentation. You could also use a base on your lips and then add the lipstick. The color comes out really nice, and of course, strong colors look amazing, girls. So go ahead and use those strong colors. It's definitely okay to not opt for false lashes if you don't like them. I'm a huge fan of lashes, so I'm always wearing them. But if you don't like them, no problems. Just use an extra dose of mascara and a lash curler and you'll get that stunning look that you're looking for. If these tips worked for you, then do tell us by writing into the comment section below, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel Be Beautiful.